Hey y'all, I'm in Wilwood, New Jersey, at the beach, at the shore, to get up and show y'all the gorgeous water. I mean, the weather is nice, not too hot. I'm going to give y'all an outfit of the day. I'm going to have my mom film me. I'm walking back myself so y'all can see the water and everything. But I'm going to have my mom film me so y'all can see my swimwear outfit of the day. The water hitting my feet. Whew. I'm trying to see how cold it is. But, yeah. This is the beach, Wilwood, Jersey. So y'all see my swim look in a few. Glasses is from Torrid. I'm about to see how cold this water is. I think it's cold. Y'all think it's cold? Ooh, it's cold, y'all. It's too cold. This is going to be an outfit of the day, a beach swim outfit of the day. What I'm wearing to Wilwood Beach. So the glasses is Torrid. The earrings, I had these for a good while. I think they're from Rainbow. I always tell y'all that. I really don't know where they're from. Bracelets, Forever 21. This bracelet, these are from Express. And I have sand all over my slides. But these are the ones from Disney. And I shouldn't have wore these here because it's all of my sequins. My cover up is from Forever 21. Lace cover up. And then my bottoms is from Forever 21. The top is from Ashley Stewart. And that completes my swim look out for the day. I am going to show y'all completely